Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen. Now, let's try that again. There we go. And then you want to swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Next, you're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is visible right over here. But if you don't see it on the first page, you could swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Now, once you see this toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, I recommend holding it and then selecting Details, as this will take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function when enabled. So go over all these options, customize them to fit your needs, and once you have done so, you can close this and you don't ever have to come back there again. And whenever you want to enable your hotspot, not hotspot, but Do Not Disturb mode, just find the toggle, tap on it, and you're good to go. One thing to keep in mind though is when enabling it manually, by default, it will run indefinitely in the background. So you will need to remember to turn it off, or alternatively, you could set it up so it turns off on its own. And you could do that by selecting a schedule that will run for exactly 1 minute, as this is the lowest amount of time. Because there is no option other than that in here to prevent hotspot from running indefinitely, because Samsung just decides to, not give you these options or remove them from Android even. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.